You might have created an experience that is so high, the performance is so high, like the page loads so quickly, the data is flowing so fast that the user types in a bunch of personal information, they click submit, boom, they get their feedback immediately. And the customer's actually like, that happened too fast. There's no way that this system actually took the time to understand what I just typed in and then told me this. You might have to say, you know what, we need to put a pause here. We need to actually put like a little loading wheel. We need a half a second of lag to make the customer feel comfortable that the computer did enough thinking to then give them the right response. Positive friction. It's a trick. But if it makes the customer feel better about what just happened, that's good user experience. And so sometimes you have to say, those things you did to make this thing so awesome, performing so quickly and fast, it's actually having a negative effect. Isn't that hilarious? And they're going to be like, no, not at all hilarious. You say, I know, but that's what's happening. Prototyping to the rescue. When you build a prototype that's clickable, does the things that you believe you are building, and you hear customer feedback, I don't understand why this happened so quickly. There's no way that it could have done the thing, right? It couldn't have analyzed all that information and told me, given me bad news or whatever, or good news. Those are important moments. And when you can show a group of people, you know, hey, here's like the videos from the tests we did. Here's everybody freaking out because this is happening too quickly. The engineers will have to realize that it's like they did exactly what we wanted them to do. They did it really well, right? It's just not having the right effect. So if you build a prototype, they can see that and they can say, all right, cool. So we can't slow it down. Like we've done our job so well. We're actually not going to slow it down. But what we could do is like build like a little, I don't know, throw a GIF in the page, have that load for a couple of seconds, and then boom, they're off and running. It does nothing. There's no technology happening, purely a trick. But it's giving the user the confidence that something happened the way they would expect it to or the way they would want it to. Everybody wins.